request the program coordinator, Lokesh sir, and student welfare officer, T.H. Sadashiv Murthy sir, to escort the dignitaries on the dais. A huge round of applause for the dignitaries.
I now request Honorary President NIMC, Mr. Srinath Bhatni, sir, to grant us the permission to start today's program.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Kemcho.
Nungai bra. Henga idri?
Encholar.
Ellaru chai tullira? Mysuru, hegidira? ನೋಡಿ ನೀವಿವಾಗ ನನಗೇನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಸಿಂಗ್ದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಜೋಶ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ರೆಡಿ? 1, 2, 3. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸರ್? That's better.
We often students saying, dude, I always wanted to get into engineering. John Wolfgang wrote, how many does one take to know oneself? Never by contemplation, only, indeed, by action. Seek to do your duty, and you will know at once how it is with you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Punya Nanjappa,
And I, Sujan Puvaya,
deem it a pleasure and honor to welcome such an august audience for today's function. When I asked God for the strength, He gave me difficulty situations to face. When I asked God for brains and brown, He gave me puzzles in life to solve. When I asked God for happiness, He showed me some unhappy people. When I asked God for wealth, He showed me how to work hard. When I asked for favor, He showed me opportunities. When I asked God for peace, He showed me how to help others. God gave me nothing I wanted. He gave me everything I needed.
with this spirit of Swami Vivekananda, let us seek the blessings of God to have a wonderful years ahead with us. I now call upon Ms. Vijeta Shanoy, 5th Sem IS, to do the invocation.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुक मनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगलच्छेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतकोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. Thank you.
When it comes to encouraging students to give it their best in whatever fields they are involved, he's always been a pillar of support. We now call upon our beloved principal, Dr. G.L. Shekhar, to welcome the gathering.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಭಾಳ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಯಾತಕ್ಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸುಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ತುಂಬ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. If you have joined a good engineering college, I would like to hear through a very big applause. This is a celebration. We have very eminent and distinguished people all around, including yourself. We would like to see smile on your face, some amount of good reactions. ಭಾಳ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. If we start any program, it will be on time. If it is 4:30, we start at 4:30. If it is 6:30, we start at 6:30. So in future, please ensure that you are in this place, in the venue, at least 10 minutes before we start the program. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ನಗರ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ದೇಗುಲ ಎನ್ಐಗೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆದರದ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Mr. President, dignitaries on the dais, my esteemed colleagues, proud parents, students, invitees, press and media. Congratulations on being joined to a BE program. Our esteemed members of the managing committee, faculty, staff, and students are delighted to welcome you to our college. As a new BE student, you are embarking on a significant period of transition in your life, in which you will be challenged intellectually, enriched academically, and rewarded both personally and professionally. The NIE family is ready to assist you in providing the best educational experience possible. Welcome you all. May I take pleasure in welcoming our chairman of NIE Governing Council, Mr. Srinath Bhatni, also NIE's distinguished alumnus and former member of Infosys board. May I request our Dean Academic Affairs, Dr. G.S. Suresh, to hand over a bouquet and formally welcome him. Today's chief guest, Mr. D.A. Prasanna, our proud alumnus and chairman and founder of Ikran Acunova and chairman and founder Manipal Acunova Limited, Bangalore, is here. In fact, there are many Prasannas who are very distinguished in this college, and one is cricketer E.A.S. Prasanna, another is D.A. Prasanna, and 1 year junior to me, another person by name D.G. Prasanna. So we have many Prasannas, and these are the people who are making this NIE really Prasanna. So welcome, D.A. Prasanna. May I request our president, Mr. Srinath Bhatni, to warmly welcome him. Also we have with us members of the NIE Managing Committee, Mr. N. Ramanuja, the Vice President of this institution. The profile of each of these distinguished MC members you will come to know very soon. However, my responsibility stops here in warmly welcoming them. May I request Dr. G.S. Suresh to welcome Vice President Shri N. Ramanuja. I also welcome Shri S.K. Lakshminarayana, Honorary Secretary of the Institute. May I request Dr. J. Suresh to welcome him. I take this pleasure in welcoming Mr. T.K. Chittaranjan, another distinguished alumnus of this institution, who is the Honorary Treasurer. Sir, I welcome you, sir. May I request J. Suresh to warmly welcome him. Another distinguished NI alumnus, eminent citizen of this city, Shri H.N. Ramatirtha, who was the former president of this institute. May I request Dr. T.N. Sridhar to welcome him. We have with us distinguished alumnus, in a way my student, a very young chap who always bothers me with some new things, that is Mr. R.S. Rajkumar, whom I very fondly call him Dr. Raj. Dr. T.N. Sridhar, please welcome him. You might have heard Ramchandra, God. We have two types here. It is not that I am telling, it is they who told me. One is Gold Ramchandra and another is Silver Ramchandra. So may I formally welcome Gold Ramchandra, alias G.S. Ramchandra. I request Dr. Suresh Bhimappa to welcome him. G.S. Ramchandra. Then who is the Silver Ramchandra? Our former Honorary Secretary, distinguished NI alumnus, Shri S.L. Ramchandra. Suresh Bhimappa, please welcome him. We have with us special invitee, Mr. Rajgopal Kadambi. Sir, I have elevated you, sir. So, Suresh Bhimappa, please welcome him. We're also having Mr. and Mrs. A.N. Prakash, distinguished alumnus, NI alumnus, and a very well-known consultant who is in charge of taking care of the children through building very good hostels. Sir, we welcome you. May I request Mr. N. Suresh to give him a bouquet. Good friend, a person who is taking care of the placement in a very big way by recruiting at least 1/3 of our bright graduates, that is TCS and TCS ES Chakravarti is here. Chakra, you are the Center Head Operations India. I very warmly welcome you. May I request President Srinath Bhatni to hand over a bouquet. Along with him, we are having Srinivas Ramanujam, manager from TCS, Sunil Joseph, head CSR India, Chandra Kadur, corporate academic interface program. We have a small 8 to 10 minutes program in between where we are signing MOU with TCS. So I warmly welcome the entire TCS group. We are also having the former MC members, Professor C.K. N. Raja. Sir, warm welcome to you. May I request B.K. Sridhar to hand over a bouquet to our Professor C.K. N. Raja. We have with us principals of NI Group of Institutions, Professor T. Ananta Padmanabha, hand over, Professor Suma, principal of NI First Grade College, ITI principal, Mr. Malraj Aras, he's stuck with some other work since morning, he couldn't make it. Esteemed colleagues, newly joined students, above all, the proud parents, press and media. So once again, I welcome everybody. You have heard a lot of things in the morning about NIE. More than we telling about NIE, I'm damn sure you will tell more about NIE to us. You would have done so much of research, but as principal of the institute, it is my responsibility to say a few words, a few points. Nearly 70 years ago, the founders of NIE embarked on a journey to educate and nurture the finest engineers. Only on July 2nd, 2016, we marked 70th year of existence, and it is a very fruitful service that this institution is doing to the country. The students passing out of our portals have distinguished themselves as industrialists, entrepreneurs, innovators, educationists, heads of prestigious organizations, practicing engineers, and even as sports persons and bureaucrats. Also, we are not producing, by choice, they have become Swamijis, and one is Swami Nirmalanathananda of BGS and Swami Bodhasarupananda of Ramakrishna Ashram. We don't train them, they become by themselves. It is a matter of pride that NIE continues to be the institute of choice for students from all over India, when students today have vast options in selecting an engineering college. NIE, which has become a brand name, is one of the top 10 preferred colleges in Karnataka, and all the seats got filled up in the first round of 2016 admissions. NIE is promoting excellence in education through highly qualified faculty members and modern infrastructure. It is making all of the efforts to build in curriculum, capacity to innovate, and ability to solve problems creatively, besides enabling every student to develop skills like critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Thanks to the present and former members of the NIE Board of Management that strongly believes in continuous improvement in delivery of technical education. In fact, I am very happy to tell you that during our discussion yesterday, Mr. Srinath Bhatni, our president, clearly articulated some of the issues related to the governance and structure required for NIE for next 20 years, and that is the vision with which management is working. I'm really proud of that. NIE is one of the few engineering colleges seeking accreditation under Tier 1, which is better than Tier 2 of NBA, and has successfully uploaded the online application for the same for 7 undergraduate and 4 postgraduate programs. NIE's journey to excellence, with the main objective of continuous improvements of administrative and academic competence, is envisioned through 3 major pillars: intellectual infrastructure, courses or services offerings, and institution building. I am very happy to mention here today that we have constructed a state-of-the-art School of Electrical Sciences and named it after our own distinguished alumnus, Sri N.R. Narayan Murthy, founder of Infosys, who has contributed generously for the construction. Jagadguru Sri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji of Suturmat inaugurated the same on March 13, 2016. A very quick update about NIE. NIE, in terms of faculty, total number of full-time permanent faculty is about 125. Total number of contract lecturers full-time is about 86. In all, there are 211 teachers. Faculty members with PhD is 50. That is 43% of the current population, their doctorates. And those who are pursuing, it's about 36. In next 2 to 3 years, NIE will be the only college in the state which will have not less than 70% doctorate teachers, to take it from me. And of course, we believe in providing very high standard education, and the minimum qualification of teachers here is master's program. We run 7 undergraduate, 11 postgraduate, 5 postgraduate diploma programs, and we have 13 centers of excellence. Our overall student strength is about 4,000. Research is a thrust area. Our Dean, Research and Development, Dr. Suresh Bhimappa, has some ideas for the freshers also, which he was telling yesterday in a meeting, and I'm damn sure he will discuss at an appropriate time. So you have already seen the handbook. NIE, if I go by the ranking of MHRD, that was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 4, 2016, NIE is 1 in top 100 colleges, and we stand at the 96th position. And in terms of other rankings, that is Outlook and other magazines, if you take that, NIE is ranked as at the 26th position, and undoubtedly all these magazines have ranked us as one of the top 100 engineering colleges. We have innovation studio and incubation facility, and we have a specialist in that space in Mr. Rajaram. He will give more information as you start working, as you start trying to learn something good in this institution. Parents, I have only 1 or 2 points to you. Please allow your children to develop independent thinking. I saw yesterday somebody came, they wanted hostel seat. I requested them, please write an application. Father immediately started writing application on behalf of the student. Pre-university tanka nadadogutte. Beyond that, you are into higher education space. There is a famous song, Leave That Kids Alone. So those who know that song, so you can recall that. So please allow your children to be independent, leave them alone, and teamwork is very important in nowadays, and I'm sure our president will dwell more on that. To the students, B is a different ball game. You would have been scoring very well all along, but semester system has its own dimension. One thing is very certain, dear students, there are no Timrajus in this college. You have to learn on your own. Physics, chemistry, maths, you would have gone to lots of private tuitions. Here, you have to learn on your own, so you please be aware of that. And even if you get frustrated because you couldn't score well, don't worry. If you have not done well in initial semesters, that normally happens. You have our faculty advisors who are very good. They take care of you. If there is any issue, please talk to the faculty advisor. And all these things have been already told in the morning. And have the courage to follow heart and intuition, and above all, the passion. The faculty is here for you. There is no more important responsibility for us, any of us, as faculty members, than teaching and working with you. True merit, let me repeat this, true merit, like a river, the deeper it is, the less noise it makes. True merit, very famous statement, true merit, like a river, the deeper it is, the less noise it makes. Meritorious people only know success. They won't make noise or give reasons. They always become successful. Before I switch off, our Rajkumar triggered something in the morning in NIE IT. A Japanese fellow asked him, I believe, a question. Of course, Rajkumar knows the solution. He did not reveal full. That Japanese fellow asked one person, I believe. I asked the same question to the engineers, who would be engineers who have joined. Is engineer a noun or a verb? If you say it is verb, you are engineer. If you say it is a noun, you are in trouble. Have a wonderful stay in this institute, the Temple of Learning. Good luck.
Welcome. Well, being an engineer till date, I didn't know about the verb and the noun difference. So he's always been a wonderful educator. So it's our duty to welcome you for today's program. So I request Professor Lokesh sir to hand over the bouquet.
I'd also request Professor Lokesh sir to hand over the bouquet to Academic Affairs Dean, Dr. J.S. Suresh, the COE, Dr. T.N. Sridhar. Dean R&D, Mr. Suresh Bhimappa.
Thank you. To light the lamp of spiritual wisdom in your heart, you need
The container of detachment.
the wick of one-pointed concentration
Matchstick of wisdom.
and the oil of devotion. Request all the dignitaries on the dais to illuminate the atmosphere by lighting the lamp. See such a serious atmosphere around, it's time to start your academic year by taking attendance first. So let's see how many students belong to which all department. So starting with,
Computer science.
so you will have to raise your hands and make some noise. Let me hear some noise, please. So who's from information science? Yeah, nice.
Electronics and communication.
Electrical and electronics.
Industrial production.
Now, I'm going to say this. Royal Mech. Oh.
And last but not the least, civil.
No, Josh. Anyways, welcome you all to the National Institute of Engineering.
We now request our Honorary Secretary, NIEMC, Mr. S.K. Lakshminarayan Sir, to brief us about NI Society and Board of Directors.
Mr. D.A. Prasanna, Chief Guest of today's function, Mr. Srinath Bhatni, President, NIE Managing Committee, Mr. Ramanuja, Vice President, Mr. T.K. Chittaranjan, Honorary Treasurer, Director, Mr. H.N. Ramtirtha, Past President, S.L. Ramchandra, Mr. Rajkumar, J.S. Ramchandra, Rajgopal Kadambi, and G.L. Shekhar, Principal and CEO of NIE, Dr. Anant Padmanabh, Principal and CEO of NIE IT, Srimati Suma, Principal of NIE First Grade College, dear students and parents, staff members of NIE, friends from the media. The National Institute of Engineering Society in Mysuru was formed in 1946 under the Karnataka Society Act. Engineers, professors, and other committed citizens who labor to establish the NIE Society are many. Their contribution to the cause of the technical education is equally noble, whether it has been large or small, whether by money or service. NIE owes its glory to all these men with a mission.